Okay, walk. Considering activity 1.3, proving polynomial identities. Verify each algebraic statement by transforming one side of the equation to show that it's equivalent to the other side of the equation. All right, so the left side is pretty much simplified, v to the 6 minus w6. We need to simplify the right side to verify that it's equal to the left side. So we need to FOIL. V squared times v squared is v to the 4th. V squared times negative vw is minus v cubed w. V squared times w squared is plus v squared w squared. Negative w squared times v squared is minus v squared w squared. Negative w squared times negative vw is plus vw cubed. And negative w squared times w squared is minus w to the 4th times v squared plus vw plus w squared. Now, let's look to see if we can combine any terms. We see here we can combine this and this. These cancel. So we have v to the 4th minus v cubed w plus v w cubed minus w to the 4th times v squared plus vw plus w squared. Now, there's going to be a lot of terms, so I'm going to have to write kind of small so I can get it all to fit in when we FOIL this. So v to the 4th times v squared is v to the 6th. V to the 4th times vw is plus v to the 5th w. V to the 4th times w squared is plus v to the 4th w squared. Negative v cubed w times v squared is minus v to the 5th w. Negative v cubed w times vw is minus v to the 4th w squared. Negative v cubed times w squared is minus v cubed w cubed. Vw cubed times v squared is plus v cubed w cubed. Vw cubed times vw is plus v squared w to the 4th and then vw cubed times w squared is plus v w to the 5th negative w to the 4th times v squared is minus v squared w to the 4th. Negative w to the 4th times vw is minus v w to the 5th. And then negative w to the 4th times w squared is minus w to the 6th. All right, now let's combine terms. We have v to the 6th. Now let's see if we have v 5th w. Those cancel. V to the 4th w squared. They cancel. These cancel. These cancel. These cancel. So you can see that the left side is equal to the left side. All right, go ahead and finish it up. Let's take a look at the next page. All right, we need to verify that the left side is equivalent to the right side. So we need to FOIL the left side and the right side. So this becomes P to the fourth plus Q to the fourth times P to the fourth plus Q to the fourth equals P to the fourth minus Q to the fourth times P to the fourth minus Q to the fourth plus 2P squared Q squared times 2P squared Q squared. Okay, so P to the fourth times P to the fourth is P to the eighth. P to the fourth times Q to the fourth is plus P to the fourth Q to the fourth. Q to the fourth times P to the fourth is plus P to the fourth Q to the fourth. Q to the fourth times Q to the fourth is plus Q to the eighth. Okay? Equals P to the fourth times P to the fourth is P to the eighth. P to the fourth times negative Q to the fourth is minus P to the fourth Q to the fourth. Negative Q to the fourth times P to the fourth is minus P to the fourth Q to the fourth. And then negative Q to the fourth times negative Q to the fourth is plus Q to the eighth. And then 2 times 2 is plus 4. P squared times P squared is P to the fourth. Q squared times Q squared is Q to the fourth. So then we have P to the eighth. This plus this is 2, so it's plus 2P to the fourth, Q to the fourth, plus Q to the eighth. Because we can combine this and this. So then we have P to the eighth. And we can combine this, this, and this, which combines to be plus 2P to the fourth, Q to the fourth, plus Q to the eighth. So you can see that the left side is equivalent to the right side. All right, go ahead and finish it up. Let's take a look at the next page. All right, we need to verify that the left side is equal to the right side. You can see that this is going to take quite a bit of work, so I'll leave this off and start here. Let's go ahead and FOIL. M times m squared is m cubed. M times negative mn is minus m squared n. M times n squared is plus mn squared. N times m squared is plus m squared n. N times negative mm is minus m n squared. N times n squared is plus n cubed times m to the 6th minus m cubed n cubed plus n to the 6th. Let's see if there's anything we can combine. We can combine that, so then that's m cubed minus, oh wait, hold on. Be careful. It's easy to combine the wrong thing. That doesn't have a squared. This has a squared. And we can see that these cancel. And this and this combine. So these cancel. So plus n cubed times m to the 6th minus m cubed n cubed plus n to the 6th. Okay, so let's continue to FOIL. So m cubed times m to the 6th is m to the 9th. M cubed times negative m cubed n cubed is minus m to the 6th n cubed. M cubed times n to the 6th is plus m cubed n to the 6th. N cubed times m to the 6th is plus m to the 6th n cubed. N cubed times negative m is minus m cubed n to the 6th. And then n cubed times n to the 6th is plus n to the 9th. Let's look for combined terms. These combine, so those cancel. These combine, and they cancel. So then you're left with m to the 9th plus n to the 9th. So you can see that the left side is equivalent to the right side. All right, go ahead and finish it up. Let's take a look at the next page. Talk to talk. Triple threat. The student works 1A and 1B. All right, let's take a look at the next page. The student works 2A, 2B, and 2C. All right, let's take a look at the next page. The student works 1 and 3. Let's take a look at the next page. Go and mark this page off or out. And then the student works 2, 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D, and 4. All right, go ahead and start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.